is Chef Mike Nyland. I'm a personal chef in the Tucson, Arizona area, and today I'm going to show you how to make garlic sauce for pizza in less than 5 minutes. First, you're going to start with extra virgin olive oil, oregano, black pepper, garlic powder, fresh minced garlic, and salt. Half a cup of olive oil. Then you're going to add your garlic, roughly 4 cloves. And you're just going to sweat it. You don't want it to get too dark brown. Have your heat at medium, medium-low, adjusting as necessary. Then you add your pinch of oregano, about a half a teaspoon of black pepper, same amount with the garlic. That's the dry garlic. A little bit of salt. And that's how you make fresh garlic sauce for pizza in less than 5 minutes.